Today's video is an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing phone cases that I got from Poetic Cases. This video is sponsored by Poetic Cases, so thank you so much for sponsoring and sending out the cases for this video. I truly appreciate it. Now, if you have not watched my unboxing of the 16 Pro Max, I will have that linked down below because I just did a video unboxing this phone. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. So I got two cases sent to me. I didn't pick out these cases. Poetic Cases sent them out to me. Now, this is not my first review with Poetic Cases. I really enjoy their company because they have great quality. All the cases that I've ever gotten from them have been great quality. And what I mean by that is when I've dropped my phones, which I don't do too often, but when I'm out in public and I'm letting my daughter, she's 2, use my phones, she does drop my phones from time to time. And so I do try to be more cautious about the kind of cases that I'm wearing on my phone, especially now. So I am excited to see what kind of case they sent. And I'm already knowing that it's going to be a durable case because they have so many cool cases, different types of cases. But like I said, they're quality. And if you're looking for a durable case, it's definitely here. Like, they have great cases. So here is the first case that I opened. I will have the website linked below, so if you want to get the exact case, you can definitely do so. And then right before I showed these cases, I showed the actual packaging that they came inside of. So if you want the exact names of the case, go back and pull up that clip where I was showing the packaging, and you can go ahead and take a screenshot, or even right here, just kind of seeing what case I'm reviewing right now. So I really enjoy this case because it is very durable. It has multiple parts, and not just that, but it also has a stand. So I enjoy watching videos on my phone. I also enjoy having a stand to prop up my phone if I'm wanting to record or vlog, and so this is a perfect stand to do that. I also like the accent color on the back, the orange. Another thing that I like about Poetic Cases is that all of the cases fit the phones perfectly. I've ordered cases in the past before where the cases didn't fit the phones. So like the buttons would be, like the case would go overlap some of the buttons or would overlap the camera, even though the case was sold as being able to fit a specific phone type. It wasn't. So I've never had that trouble or that problem with Poetic Cases. As you can see right now, everything fits perfectly. The case actually feels good in my hand. I like the fact that it has protection all around the phone. I also like the fact that the camera portion is out on this case. I do like the cases that offer the protection on the cameras, but I also like the cases that don't, because sometimes I may want to go to an event and not have to worry about opening the case for the camera. And then sometimes I may want to just already have the camera, you know, not closed in. So it just kind of depends on what I'm feeling. If you all know what I'm referring to, then let me know down below if you prefer the phones that have a protector on the camera or a phone that doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and open the next case, and we're going to see what this one looks like. So this is the next case, and I'm excited about this case too because it's very protective. It comes with multiple pieces. I do like the cases that have multiple pieces just because, like I said in the beginning of the video, I really enjoy having a durable case, especially now having a toddler who loves using my phone in public and who I sometimes give in to. And my phone has been dropped multiple times. So I have not insured this phone yet, which I probably am going to do that. But I can say that all of my phones haven't had insurance, and I haven't had any crazy accidents where I needed to get the phone fixed. And so I feel like I've saved a good amount of money not getting insurance. But if you're going to do that, then it's very important to make sure that you're getting the right type of cases, because the last thing you want is to just think about rushing out, or just think about, just think about how the phone looks. But there are durable cases that look really, really cute. But I do know that sometimes you don't want to put a case on your phone if you're like me. Especially in the beginning, I would just say, hey, I just want to use my phone in its natural state. And even if I didn't drop it during those times, I still would find different nicks and scratches from the phone being in my purse. So I always case my phone. I always put a case on my phone at this point. So I'm unboxing, or not really, I've already unboxed it, but I'm pulling apart this case. Now this case comes with 3 different parts. I really like this case because it does protect the camera, like I was just talking about a little bit. Sometimes I like the cases that have the camera protection. Sometimes I want to go out without a case with a camera protection. But the cool thing about this case is you don't have to, like, it doesn't, the camera slide doesn't just automatically slide back over, because some cases are like that. This one, like I said before, is really good quality. So if you want to have the phone case slid over where it doesn't cover up the cameras for an entire day, you can do that. So I really like that option. Also, what I like about this case is it gives you the ability to have a screen protector too. My screen protectors haven't come in the mail at this point yet, and neither have any of the cases that I ordered. So this is really, it's a good thing for me to be able to have a case with a screen protector. So if I throw it in my purse, or if it falls down, or, you know, if anything else happens, some of the sometimes unthinkable things happen to our phones. And so if anything happens, I don't have to worry about my case getting scratched. Now, this isn't like a glass or anything. It's a plastic that's over the phone. And I also like the fact that the plastic isn't really cloudy. Sometimes you'll get cases and the cases are cloudy. And it's not like that. I can see through my screen very clearly, and I like that. It also has a stand on the back. So again, if you want to watch videos, or if you want to record and have your phone propped up, like doing a vlog or something like that, then you can definitely do so. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off of the case. And like I said, you can see that it's not foggy at all. It's a really, really good quality of plastic covering. And you probably can tell that I've had a lot of cases in the past. So if I'm saying that the case is good, trust me, like I said, this is not my first run around with Poetic Cases. They are really good quality cases. All right, so I want to thank Poetic Cases again for sending these cases for review. Thank you all for watching. I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye.